Okay, hi guys, welcome to today's video. It is number 11 through 20 on your translations packet. Now remember, you are going to have a quiz over translations tomorrow, so please make sure that you understand everything from the packet and that you are prepared for tomorrow. Okay, so the first two are multiple choice, and they are asking you to match the translation that's shown here to the correct image from A, B, C, or D. So if you look here, it's x plus 6, y plus 1. So x plus 6 means that we are going 6 units to the right. And y plus 1 means that we are going up 1. Remember, you can always jot this down if you need to. Okay? Your x and y axis. When you go up, it's plus. Right is plus. Left and down are minus. Okay? Alright, so right 6 and up 1. Let's just pick one point to start with. Let's do G. So we're going to go right 6 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Oops. And then up 1, that gets me here for G prime. The only answer choice that matches that one is B. Everything else is off, so it has to be B. Okay, for number 12, it's x and y minus 1. This means, remember, that the x stays the same. It doesn't go left or right. Y minus 1 means it goes down 1. So the only thing that this image is going to do is go down 1 unit. It's going to slide down by 1. So without graphing it, let's just look and see. Okay, for A, it went to the left, so that means it can't be A. For B, it went left, so that means it can't be B. For C, C looks good, might be C. And for D, it went down and left. So we kind of want it to only go down 1 unit, right? Like this. G, F prime, D prime, E prime, which gives us this figure. So the one that matches that is C, not D. Okay? Okay. So 13, 14, 15, and 16, it asks you to write a rule to describe each transformation. So to do that, you have to know which one is the pre-image and which one is the image. Let's zoom in. Okay, so the pre-image is the one without the primes, so the one without the apostrophe. So it looks like this shape went up by 1 unit to get to the image. So the only thing it did was go up 1. The way that you write that as a rule is x, comma, y, arrow. X stays the same. It didn't move left or right. So just write x, comma, y plus 1. So for x, it was like plus 0. It didn't move at all. So the x needs to be 0, and the y needs to be a positive 1. That's D. Okay, 14 is just 1 point. This little prime is down here, which tells us that this is the image, this is the pre-image. So this is the starting point. So if this is the starting point, then that means that this point went down 3 units. So that can be written x comma y arrow. It didn't move left or right. It was only a vertical movement. So x plus 0 and then y minus 3. That matches up with C. X is 0, y minus 3, negative 3. Okay, 15. This is our pre-image here, because it doesn't have the prime. So it looks like we went left and also up. So left 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and up 1. Okay, left 7 can be written x minus 7. Up 1 is written y plus 1. So it's the x is negative 7, the y is 1, that's C. Okay? For 16, this is our pre-image. This is our image. So we went down 2, and then right 4. So the right 4, that's our x. So since it's the x-axis is the one that goes left and right. Okay, so right 4 can be written as x plus 4. Down 2 can be written as y minus 2. That matches up with D. Okay. All right, for 17, we're writing a rule, remember? So parentheses, x comma y, arrow. Our pre-image is the one that's below. So let's just look at one letter. Let's look at L. L to L prime did not go left or right at all. The only thing it did was go up by 1. Same with M. Up by 1, up by 1. So the way that you write that, since there is no x movement, there was no left or right, x plus 0, or just x, and then y plus 1. Sorry guys, I'm a little stopped up right now. Got a little runny nose. Okay, 18. This is our pre-image, the one without the parenthesis, or without the apostrophe. So let's look at W. W went left 3 and down 1. Left 3 and down 1. Okay, so let's write our rule. X comma y parentheses arrow. Left 3 is x minus 3. Down 1 is y minus 1. 2 more. 19. This is our pre-image. This is our image. So let's look at H. From H to H prime, we went up 4 and right 3. So our rule, parentheses, x comma y arrow. So the right 3, that's our x, and since it's right, it's plus. X plus 3, and up 4 is y plus 4. Okay, number 20. This is our pre-image without the apostrophes. So let's look at x. From x to x prime, there is only a vertical movement. There's no left, no right, just up. So the way we write that, x comma y parentheses arrow. Since there's no horizontal movement, no x movement, we just put x plus 0, and then y, we went up 2, so plus 2. Alright guys, I'll see you tomorrow, and don't forget to study for your quiz.